What if I told you India just unveiled a combat drone that can fly for 30 hours, strike in swarms, and costs only a fraction of America's Predator drone? Yes, you heard that right. Bengaluru's Flying Wedge Defense and Aerospace has rolled out the Kaala Bhairav, India's first fully indigenous AI-powered long-endurance combat drone. And it could change the game for modern warfare. Imagine this, India monitoring every movement of enemy leaders in real time. Indian intelligence mapping the routine followed by every enemy of India. Using the capabilities of 30 hours of continuous flight, a range of nearly 3,000 kilometers thanks to satellite communication, able to fly up to 20,000 feet, with adaptive AI that can make targeting decisions on its own, carries guided rockets and advanced sensors, and perform advanced functions while taking off and landing from short runways. And here's the real kicker. For the cost of one Predator drone, India can field an entire swarm of Kaala Bhairavs, 10 against 1. That's not just cost-effective, it's battlefield domination, to saturate the target. Even better, it's over 80% indigenous. No hidden kill switches, no foreign dependency. In fact, a South Asian country has already placed a $25 million export order. Now here's my question for you. If you were designing India's drone strategy, would you prefer one super advanced drone, or a swarm of 10 Kaala Bhairavs overwhelming the enemy? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll give a heart to the best ones. And hey, if you love science and want India to lead the future, subscribe to CIX24 right now.